Good morning everyone, you bunch of motorcyclists, how are you all doing? Welcome back to another episode from Riders Corner. Today we're going out on a nice long ride and makes a change really. I've not planned this one, I've got no idea where we're going. It's been organised by this nice gentleman called Mark. I've only met him briefly once before. He's a friend of my dad's, but he's also a friend of Plymouth Motorcycle Club and of Plymouth Bike Night, so he helps with the marshalling and the events organisation of that sort of stuff, so big thumbs up to him really. He kind of scares me a little really. If you haven't met someone like him before, you might be able to imagine him with me. He's that guy at a track day where, you know, say you're on your nice new track day bike, pinning it around a corner, pushing it as max as you can, and then he just cruises past you, making you look slow on his big daddy tourer bike. That's what Mark is. He's the guy with tons of experience that is now just relaxed a little and conversant and a little bit more comfortable. He rides a, I think he rides a BMW K1300. It's bright orange with a big yellow headlight, you can't miss it. He's got lots of tips for me, apparently. I'm looking forward to hearing as much as I can really, take as much advice as I can at the moment, and of course I'll try and pass on to you what I can, what I learn. My dad's actually been out for a ride with him before. Apparently he's absolutely phenomenal motorcyclist, absolutely full control of the bike at all times. Yeah, apparently Dad was pinning it around the corner, Mark was in front and literally just turned 180 degrees on his seat, swung his leg right over and gave Dad a thumbs up. So yeah, that's why this guy terrifies me. So I'm not sure who's going out on the ride with us today. Apparently there will be a small group of us, although I do know I'm meeting Dad right now. Gonna go have a coffee with him before we go over to Rober to meet up with the rest of the guys. You guys all know Dad, he's been on the channel before. He rides a 2014 Street Triple 675, fantastic bike, lightweight, loads of power, it's over 100 horsepower. You guys all know my bike, it's a V-twin engine. You know what that sounds like, don't you? Yeah, absolutely phenomenal bike, excellent handling, plenty of power, mainly grunt. It's not got much top end. I know Mark's bike is going to be able to do over 140 miles an hour pretty comfortably, and he'll be sat back in his armchair, but this one I'll be I obviously got to stick to the speed limits whilst I've got the camera on. I'm not that good at editing yet. So I'm going to go meet up with Dad, and then I'll tie up with you guys when we meet the rest of the gang. Hello. It's my lane. Catch you later. I just got hit in the collarbone by like a bee.